Bahlala phambili sikutholela ukuthi Discovery Boys Festival isongwe ngemumva kwezinsuku ezintathu zomdlalo e-UJ Sports Complex. Iqaleke emsukela mhla zili-13 ziya mhla zili-15 kuNhlaba ka-2026. Abadlali abasebasha baphuma ke ezikoleni ezingaphezulu kwezingamashumi bajabulisa abaqoki abahlonza-ke ikhono befuna ke ikhono le-Bill Stewart Tournament ezobanjelwa eFree State.
I-Discovery Boys Festival esingathwa Johannesburg Primary Schools Football Association biququnjelwa lwesihlanu kumamba lwezemidlalo yase-University of Johannesburg. Aba bafundi bebeyinxalenye le tumente bebekhethwe kwizikolo ezingaphezulu kwama-60 kwaye bephakathi kweminyaka eli-13 kuya kwiminyaka eli-14. Eyona njongo iphambili yale midlalo kukuphuhlisa nokulola izakhono zolutsha kwibhola ekhatywayo.
The primary goal of the festival is to select the top 45 players who are going to represent Johannesburg Primary Schools Football Association in the upcoming provincial tournament, which is scheduled to be held in University of the Free State in July actually. So the 45 players, the composition, we choose 15 in each team. Southends will be the A team, 15 players. Joburg will be the B team, 15 players, and West is the C team. We normally select the top 15 defenders, top 15 midfielders, the top 12 forwards, and then our 3 top goalkeepers.
It's very important because it is in connection with schools. We choose different areas from different schools. They gather together and we give the boys a platform to showcase their talent. And this helps the football in our country to develop the players, get them to their best shape, and that they're ready to play for clubs and play at the highest level in the schools as well. Bottom line, discipline. So you learn positive habits, you learn discipline through the school structure, you learn how to behave, you learn to be a good sportsman, and obviously bring into the club system. And then if the school and the clubs are doing the same thing, we can have proper sportsmen with great sportsmanship and display discipline all the way. And it is a good example to young coming talent.
Konke oku kuye kwayimpumelelo ngenxa yenkqubo ye-Discovery nencedisa ekuphuhliseni ibhola ekhatywayo ezikolweni. Ukanti abadlali abayibenza kakuhle kulo mdlalo baza kuthi babe yinxalenye ye-Bill Stewart Tournament eFreyistata. NdinguThama Manga, iindaba zemidlalo kwiSoto TV.